Good morning. Anyhow, we're gonna go ahead and make our buttercream for our cake. It is an 8-inch heart cake, so I did 2 8-inch rounds. And we have already made our toppers that are going on there. He said gray or silver, and of course it's for his lady, so we're gonna add some glitter. Pink heart cake, just pink heart cake. That's pink heart cake with silver letters. That's what I got, and we're gonna make it do what it do. Let's go. Alright, now that we got that made, my gloves on. I already did my first cut. I still cut my heart cakes, but until I find the exact pans that I want for a heart shape, I'll do it this way. Let's see if you can see. Did my V cut. And we're gonna just kind of start to assemble. And I'm gonna do that one after I get this piece on here. We're just gonna add, this ain't nothing but ice that melted. Put that on there. This one, soft side up, more downward than up. And I like working with my heart cakes. I like working with very chilled cakes versus a frozen cake. And I'm gonna tell you why in just a moment. Okay, now this is why I like working with chilled cakes versus frozen cakes. Don't mind all that over there because we're gonna use the mixer again once I color this icing. But and I'm gonna move you into better view. Okay, I add my icing. Now I'm trying to smooth it, make it pretty because I want it to stick out some because I want the top pieces to grab onto it. Okay, so this is my first one. I'm gonna line up this edge right here and push in. That's why if it's smooth, it's not going to give you that cushion you need to adhere it. That's the best word to use. A little bit more. And this is why if you have a frozen cake, that piece going to sit just like that. It's not going to bend. It's not going to fold in. None of that. And so what I try to do is I focus on my end pieces because that's what's going to give me that hump, you know, in the heart, that arch. Then I focus on the other side. Here, like so, pushing in mostly on those ends more than in the middle. Then to make sure that it stays and it doesn't go anywhere while I'm working on the other side, take a little dollop of icing, hold it, and I secure those two pieces together just for now, just like that. That's it. Same thing for the other side. Now some people go in, cut a notch in the middle to make it very defined. I just see it as I'm taking more cake away from my client, and I'm not going to cut any cake away from my client, you know, because I can design it when I pipe it to show the heart image on top, if it makes sense. But once I do find a pan that I like, that gives me that very defined heart, then we'll go with that. But until then, this is how it will look up under. Okay? All right, we're going to use Chef Masters. See, focus in. Deep pink.
One I beg you with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did that bada. That cover my face, calling me that bada. Biggie man, we don't be where I bada. Tell me, what's it come? You are come, all depend. They catch it, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all depend. Die for nothing. Make you know say anything when you do, them must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to take to my way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want the love. Tell me, what's it go? All depend. They can ride the whip. I know schemes and packaging. In a one night, 4 shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my port, I'm paddling. Shout out, Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trace. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a I be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one bite, I know one die.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, just some me time.